Okay. So last class what we are discussing ma? About the graphs na? Position time graph is over, velocity time graph is over, acceleration time graph is over. Is it? Yes or no? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ, ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Speak to me. Acceleration time graph is not done? Okay. So let us start from acceleration time graph. So dear students, today I am going to little bit fast because already you have done, and today's class is very important for 5 marks. Board exam fixed derivation. ಏನು ಎರಡನೇ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. Question paper ತಗದ ತಕ್ಷಣ first equation ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ 5 marks ಗೆ. So if you understood derivation, then also listen once again carefully. So take a fresh and new page, put today's date, start from acceleration time graph. Anybody can define the definition? What is time graph? Anyone? Farhan? Any girls? Yes, superb, nice. Along good. Time along. Superb, superb. What's your name? What's your name? ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಸೌಮ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ plotted between acceleration of the particle along y-axis and time along x-axis. It is known as AT graph. Please note down along with me only. I will not give much time today because already I have done in bridge course class also. So right, various acceleration time graphs. First one, particle is moving with constant acceleration. So plot the graph. Take y-axis along acceleration, x-axis along time t. This is origin. So particle is moving with what? Constant acceleration. Just draw the line which is parallel to time axis. That's it. Otherwise write this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is time, this is acceleration. Okay? Right. Same amma ಏನು changes ಇಲ್ಲ. Position time graph understand ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ this can be easily you can do. Right, second one. In question they will mention like this only. Draw the acceleration time graph or position time graph or velocity time graph as below. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 2 marks ಇದ್ರೆ 2 graphs. For 3 marks you can draw 3 marks. Right, second one. Particle is moving with increasing acceleration. Increasing acceleration is nothing but what? Who will say? Positive acceleration or negative acceleration? Positive acceleration because increasing. So just draw the linear curve. This is what? Time axis. Here it is acceleration. Go for third one. Particle is moving with decreasing acceleration, or you can say what for decreasing acceleration? Retardation. Superb. One more name. Deceleration, right? Retardation. Simply they will mention, draw the acceleration time draw for retardation. Then how will you draw? Just take a downward axis. This is y-axis, x-axis, origin, time, acceleration. So dear students, please make it fast. Fourth one, if particle is moving with variable acceleration, then graph origin, time, right. Finish it fast. Make your handwriting fast, ma. Rachita, Aditi present, Aishwarya, Akshata, okay. Writing part is done. Can I erase the board? Everyone? Right. So today's next class is very important for 5 marks fixed question in your question paper. That is equation of motion. We are having a set of equation. How many set of equations we are having here? Answer me. Already you have done. Yes, who will say? 4 equation of sets of motion are there. Note down. Right. Equation of motion. 5 marks for your board exam. Among these 4, you are having a one fixed derivation. Right. Can we start now? So let us write your first equation of motion, which is that. Give me the equation. Yes, everyone. V is equals to U plus AT. Right. Superb. Second equation of motion. S equals to UT plus half AT square. Right. Next, third equation of motion. V square is equals to U square plus 2AS, or 2AS is equals to V square minus U square. Anything. Last equation. Who will say? Sn. Distance travelled from nth second. U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. How to read? Sn is equals to U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay now? Fine. So here all these parameters, what are those? V, U, A, S, Sn. Next, what is that? T. These are all what? Parameters. By using these parameters, you are going to connect the equation, or you are deriving the equations. Okay? Fine. So put aside heading. First one. Derivation of 5 marks derivations are, please listen everyone. Derivation of first equation of motion, that is V is equals to U plus AT. instead of u plus at, in question paper they will write what is that, v is equals to, instead of u they are writing a v naught plus at. In question paper they are using the variable, instead of u they are writing a v naught, please remember. Or you can write here v is equals to v naught plus at. Now you have to derive. So now first I will explain the derivation along with the marks. Okay everyone, first you have to write an explanation or a graph. Explanation bandre graph barutte, graph bandre explanation barutte. Say with it, first explanation. Everyone should write for 1 marks. Explanation 1 marks irutte. They are distributing the marks. Consider, start writing along with me. Consider a body or a particle moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration A. A body moving with uniform acceleration A. Let u be its initial velocity and v be its final velocity in time t. See, very simple, only 1 or 2 sentence. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ 4 ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. First sentence is what indicates acceleration A. Second, u and v, velocity with respect to time t. Is it clear? Next line, the vt graph, because acceleration you have to calculate here, that's why take a velocity time graph. The vt graph for a body having some initial velocity and moving with uniform acceleration as shown in the figure or a graph. This is fixed for all the 3 derivations. Explanation same to same irutte, eno changes irangilla. Istu baradre 1 mark irutte. Will you write? Can I erase ma? This is done. Everyone, so writing fast ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ. So please note down in your rough book. Today how to finish all the 4 derivations. Okay now? Done? Girls? Okay, fine. Take a pencil. Draw the graph. Y and x axis and draw the line. Already that line means particle having some initial velocity. Just draw y axis, x axis. This is origin. Now initially it is having some velocity. Let us mark the point here, and what it indicates, particle is here means it is having some initial velocity. It is 0, next 1 meter, 2 meter per second, 3 meters, up to here 3 meter per second. Particle is having a initially at a 3 meter per second. After this it is moving uniformly acceleration like this. Let us mark it is A, this will be B, join this one. So please draw with me only. This is velocity, here it is time. Let us mark. This is D, this is C. This is time axis means O and C indicates what? Time T. This is rectangle. If it is T means this is also T. This is velocity y axis. From here to here it is having an initial velocity. That's why mark here U. These markings are very important. Sumne graph tagudre they will not give a marks. You have to mention all the parameters. If it is U means DC also indicates what? U, initial velocity. Okay now just see the board everyone. Have a look. Here B to C indicates what? This is origin, this is initial velocity. Particle is reached at this point means this is the final velocity. From this point to this point indicates what? B to C. Final velocity V. Any doubt? B to C is also same. Let us take this is a E point. This E to O also indicates what? Final velocity. Once again, particle is at here, initially here, and after some time it will reaches here. Means it's a final position, final velocity. So final velocity can be calculated from this point to this point. It is indicated what? Final velocity. Now here the whole line indicates the final velocity, but you require this portion only. The whole length, you know this much distance how it is, but you don't know this portion. What you will do? Whole distance minus this one. You will get this distance now. Similarly here, how to write? BC is equals to BC minus DC. What you will get? BD. Artha agtide na? So this BD indicates what here? V minus U. Because BC is what? V minus DC is U. Clear? Artha aitala? Now draw the graph. Finish it fast. In bridge course, you already done all these things, So after finishing the graph, just write here what are the parameters here. ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡ್ತದ? Just look at here, A to O. Right here, from graph, A to O. ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Please see the graph and tell me. A to O. Initial velocity U. ಇಲ್ಲ just ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಆ distance ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿ. So A to O is nothing but U. So AO is equals to DC. Then we can write here AO is equals to DC. That gives what? Initial velocity. See here how to follow like this. From graph, what you will write here? A to O indicates what? Initial velocity U. So rectangle AO is equals to DC. That's why AO is equals to DC. That equals to U. Next, OC. O to C is equals to A to D. Indicates what na? Time. Right. Next, BC. One more. BC equals to EO. Indicates what? Final velocity V. Then BD. B to D. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. V minus U. Next, any other factors? Everything is come? Right. So once if you finish the graph means from this graph what you will get? This is velocity versus time graph. VT graph gives, who will say? Acceleration, right. Slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Right here, slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Exploration 1 marks, graph with this one 1 marks. Now writing slope and equation 1 mark, total 3 marks. Right. Slope of acceleration. See here. How to write a slope here? Slope means you have to consider 2 points. draw the right angle, then take a tan theta. This will be theta. Then slope is always what? Tan theta. Tan theta is equals to, who will say tan theta? BD upon AD. BD upon AD. Next, BD can be written as BC minus BC. See, I am doing step by step. BC minus DC divided by this AD can be written as a OC. Next, substitute the values from this. Tan theta is equals to, this is what? Acceleration A. Acceleration A is equals to slope of means, that is tan theta. This is equals to, write the formula and write the values now. BC is what? V minus DC, where it is? U divided by OC T. So this tan theta is nothing but what? Acceleration. Simply write here A is equals to V minus U divided by T. This can be written as just cross multiplied. What you will get? AT is equals to V minus U. These formulas we are going to use further derivations. That's why I am putting a box. Next, final equation. Just to keep here this final velocity and bring this initial velocity to left side. What you will get? V is equals to, this minus becomes plus U plus AT. Okay, now done. Take this is equation 1, 2, 3. Right here, if U is equals to V naught in equation 3, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? U equals to V naught in above equation, just replace U ತಗೋದು V naught ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ you will get this equation. At least ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. I will write here only V is equals to V naught plus AT. This completes your first derivation. 5 marks. Completed? Understood? Any doubt? Writing ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Can I erase the board? Everyone finished? ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳಿಸೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗ, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಾಗ. Either they may ask derivation for 5 marks or 5 marks for problem. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎರಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. For 13 to 14 marks. 5 marks for derivation, 5 marks for problem. Problem ಇದೇ derivation base ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Second one. Derivation of second equation of motion, that is S equals to ut plus half at square, right? Or what you will write? Instead of S you can write here x is equals to, again u can be replaced by v naught t plus half at square. In your question paper they will prefer these parameters, symbols, notations. X is replaced by S, V naught is replaced by U. X is what here? Distance travelled. V naught is what? Initial velocity. Okay now? All of you getting or not? Start. First we'll draw the graph. Same graph. Again one the graph, one the explanation. Applicable for all the three. First we finished. The second we are doing now. Okay, make it fast, everyone. Y-axis, X-axis, finish it fast. It will be practice for you people. If you clearly understood. Velocity. Next, a particle is having initial velocity. After that, it will be move with the uniform acceleration. Let us name it as A. This will be B. Just join the line. Take a point and name it as a D. This will be C. This is initial velocity. This is also initial velocity. It is time. And just join this one also. E. From here to here, you will get a velocity. Final velocity. Mark clearly. Graph nage ಏನಾರ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. So B to C. Again it is V. Simply from B to D. V minus U. So this V minus U can also be written as a AT. It's right or wrong? See equation number 2. Equation number 2. What is that? V minus U equals to AT. In above equation, we can replace V minus U equals to AT. Baribodalla? Okay. We are using next. Okay, fine. After graph, write the explanation. Fast. Consider a body moving with uniform acceleration A. Let U be its initial velocity. Everyone should write along with me. And V be its final velocity in time t. Here one more parameter you have to add. What is that? Yes, because you have to find the distance travelled by the body. Yes, be the distance travelled. Again, which graph? About a graph, write in one sentence, that is the VT graph for a body having some initial velocity. And what happens? After that, it will move with uniform acceleration. Is it okay? After this, just write the parameters. Again, AO is equals to DC is equals to what? Initial velocity. Then OC is equals to AD is equals to what? Time. BC gives what? EO is equals to final velocity. Then BD is what? AT or V minus U. You can use any one. What is the next step? Take a slope. Acceleration is equals to what? Slope of the VT graph. From this VT graph, you are having a slope. Right here, acceleration is equals to slope of VT graph. Right, acceleration can be written as a A. Then slope can be written as a tan theta. So this tan theta can be written as from this triangle again BD by AD. BD by AD. Again BD can be replaced by BC minus DC divided by AD can be replaced by OC. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So ಈ triangle ದಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? tan theta. So tan theta can be written as opposite by adjacent. BD by AD. This BD can be written as a whole distance BC minus this distance. Again, this AD can be replaced by OC. Substitute the values. What you will get? A equals to, again, BC minus DC is V minus U upon T. So up to this point you have to do for all the three. Again, AT is equals to V minus U and V is equals to U plus AT. This is equation 1, 2, 3, right. So next I will explain in two methods. You can refer any one. Up to 3 is over. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ನಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಫರ್ದರ್? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. In two methods I am going to explain which method you can feel easy, you can comfortable, you can do that one. So method number 1. After finding the slope, just write here distance travelled by the particle. Distance travelled by a body in time t is equals to. So always how to calculate a distance or a displacement? By considering the area of the curve. So here line is what? Curve AB. By considering this line area, so here you can consider one. This is triangle, one area, and another is rectangle. You can consider these two, or you can consider only one trapezium, that is OABC. By considering this trapezium or by considering these two, you can find the displacement. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ VT graph ಇಂದ by considering area of the given curve, you can calculate a distance or a displacement. Okay, right. Area enclosed by the line. Which line? AB. This is the formula. You should remember. According to this formula, so here distance travelled I can write here S is equals to area. First I will take area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, what is that? OABC. Okay, illide nodi OABC. E trapezium. If you know trapezium formula, go for this method. Otherwise you can go for another method. I will tell. S is equals to formula is, who will say trapezium formula? Good. Superb. Sum of parallel sides. Half into base into sum of parallel sides. Again S is equals to half as it is. Here base is what? OC. Base OC into sum of parallel sides means this is one side, this is another side. These two are parallel now. Then AO plus sum is there. That's why plus. One more side is BC. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಂತ? trapezium. This is base, half is constant. Sum of parallel side means this side and this side. This is what AO, this is what BC. Write the values now. S is equals to half as it is. OC can be written as T into AO is what? A to O, U plus V. Any doubt? Up to here it is clear. Now use equation number 3. And the equation number 3, what is there? U plus AP, right? From 3 you can replace here. What you will get? S is equals to half into T into U as it is, U plus AT. Again S is equals to half into T, this one U plus U andre 2U plus AT. Now take this half T inside. Half T inside, that is s is equals to half into t ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ into 2u plus half t into 80. Here 2 get cancels. Remaining thing is what? U into t plus t into t is again t square, half at square. Your answer is here. Simply addition is there, ma. Nothing I have done. Simply just replace equation number 3. Bracket multiplication. You will get final answer. Can I explain the last term once? Writing is over. Barkur. Note down. Finished? Can I explain once? Yeah? Ready now? Okay. Everyone, see the board. Up to here, we are using the trapezium formula. So, according to this formula, we are writing the parameters. So, OC is what here? Time t. Again, AO indicates initial velocity. BC indicates final velocity. Then, here, V can be replaced by equation 3. That is, U plus AT. Just U plus U means 2U. Again, it is AT as it is. After this, U plus U means 2U. Just add and write here. Step by step, I have done here. Then, just take this half t inside the bracket. What you will get? Half t into 2u plus again half t into 80. Here 2 get cancels. T into u bardru onde, u into t bardru onde alla. Then plus as it is half t into t, t square, half at square. Okay now? Still any confusion about a simple addition and subtraction? Right? Let us take, this is equation number 4. If s can be replaced by what? X and u can be replaced by v naught in equation 4. What you will get? Just replace s allidalle ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? x is equals to this u can be replaced by v naught t plus half at square. This is equation number 5. These equations you should remember, these formulas we are using while solving the problems. Again, if x is replaced by x minus x naught in above equation 5. What you have to replace here? X by x minus x naught. X minus x naught is equals to v naught t plus half at square. Okay. So this minus x naught you can shift to right side. What you will get? Plus x naught. Right here. X is equals to x naught plus v naught t plus half at square. Equation number 6. This completes your second equation of motion derivation. In exam, you have to finish up to here. Up to equation number 5 is over. So remaining these 3 are what? Extra. We are using for solving the problems. Up to here your derivation is completed, ma. Equation 5. No need to write all the extra things in exam. Clear? So please remember this point here. X is what? Distance. X naught is what? Initial distance. I will tell how these parameters or these formulas we can use in the problems, how to solve. Okay? So today's derivation you have to solve 3 times. Write their first time, second time, third time and write today's date. 5 marks fixed questions. Okay? So don't neglect, don't do any careless type. Do practice, you will get a fixed questions. Okay na? Any doubts in today's class? No doubt? Okay. No na? So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು